In this video, you will learn the benefits of in-house label printing. Benefit number 1. Freedom to cut labeling costs and reduce inventory. Save time and money by producing your own digital short-run product labels. Instead of purchasing large quantities of pre-printed labels and store them on inventory, you can cut costs by printing labels in short runs. You can also enjoy the flexibility to produce labels with varieties of designs and colors at the same time, such as flavors, sizes, weights, vital safety information, seasonal promotions, or other variable data. Benefit number 2. Print labels instantly. You can print product labels anytime you need them, as soon as you received an order. Normally, there's a minimum order if you outsource label printing, most likely thousands of labels, which makes it more expensive if you alter any designs or data. You can even print 1 label, 10 labels, hundreds or thousands of labels. No minimum, no limit. There will be no limitations for label creations, such as colors, shapes, and sizes. Benefit number 3. Improve labels using colored graphics. You can customize your labels in-house with high-resolution, full-color design, including any label content. This will improve the appearance, increase the sales, and increase efficiency. Benefit number 4. Private labeling. As a business owner, we don't want to expose our client or business details. Outsourcing label production might risk the data that they are printing and how the data is saved once they are done with printing. Benefit number 5. Create unlimited possibilities. Expand your label printing business by customization and personalization. By printing on various types of materials, like printing vibrant white with full color on clear and dark media. Benefit number 6. Reliability. When transitioning from a pre-printed label process to an in-house on-demand color printing solution, you have the power to do more in less time and meet your deadlines. Choose a partner that can deliver the level of reliability you need to put on production concerns at ease. Choose label printing in-house. Choose LabelGraff. To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, visit our website, LabelGraff.com.